Hello everybody, this is Budrich. Good morning. Advent of Code starts in 2 minutes, so we're waiting a bit. It's like a pre-calendar thing here. I don't know, I just discovered this tab here on the Advent of Code page where you can see statistics, user statistics, and we can see that the first day had 110,000 persons who completed both the puzzles, and these are the ones who completed just one, I guess. Each day goal indicates users that have completed both. Yes, and this is just a graphical way of displaying the same information here. We can see that quite a lot have dropped off already. Day 5 we're down to 48,000. We started at 110,000, so I don't know, maybe 60% already in just 5 days. I suspect this will decline slower and slower for each day here. Probably, maybe, I don't know. Maybe we can quickly see if we can. Really like this Advent of Code page. It's so neatly organized. You can just do things like this, you know. Yeah, here we can see only 3,000 people completed 2019's calendar. So yeah, that's so many who actually complete the whole thing, you know. Almost the same starting number, 99,000, 110,000 this year. But now it feels like it's getting close here. Yeah, 1 minute. I have added some extra stuff here now to the Advent of Code fetching script. So yeah, it's really cool. You will see. Yeah, we should prepare it here. AOCI 5 to grab 5th day. Okay. Yesterday with the binary sort partition thing, I didn't like that actually. I thought it was quite boring. They are usually there. It was no puzzle in that, you know. You just solve the thing. It wasn't. I don't know. I didn't like this number 5, and I'm actually doing 2019 exercises here, and they were more fun actually, at least in the early stages here. But I think, all right. Let's do it. Yes. Give it day 6 it is. Okay, is it? Yeah, whatever. As your flight approaches the regional airport where you'll switch to a much larger plane, customs declaration forms are distributed to the passengers. The form asks a series of 26 yes or no questions, marked A through Z. All you need to do is identify the questions for which anyone in your group answers yes. Since your group is just you, this doesn't take very long. So, okay. All you need to do is identify the question for which anyone in your group answers yes. Okay. However, the person sitting next to you seemed to be experiencing a language barrier and asks if you can help. For each of the people in their group, you write down the questions for which they answer yes, 1 per line. For example, A, B, C, X, A, B, C, Y. There, now we got everything. Yeah, I will explain what this is. What happened there. In this group, sorry for the noise there, it's my refrigerator. It sometimes weirds out like this. I'm really sorry. There are 6 questions to which anyone answered yes. A, B, C, X, Y, and C. I don't really get it yet, but whatever. Duplicate answers to the same question, don't count extra. Each question counts at most once. Another group asks for your help, then another, and eventually you collected answers from every group on the plane. Your puzzle input. This. Each group's answers are separated by a blank line, and within each group, each person's answers are on a single line. For example, each group answers are separated by a blank line, and within each group, each person. Okay. Okay, good. I didn't understand anything here. This list represents answers from 5 groups. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe. First group contains 1 person who answered yes to 3 questions. A, B, and C. Okay, so second group contains 3 people. Combine the answer yes to 3 questions, A, B, and C, but different persons then giving different answers. Here we have a group of 2 people. Yeah, third group contains 2 people. Combine the answer yes to 3 questions, A, B, A. Yeah, you know, this is also Budrich, you know. I'm the A, B, C, D man, you know. Fourth group, yeah, I get it. 4 people, everyone answered A, and last group, 1 person just answered B. Okay. In this example, the sum of these counts is okay. For each group, count the number of questions to which anyone answered yes. What is the sum of those counts? Okay. Yeah, that sounds easy. Okay, so what is this here? I'll put it here. Doesn't look like I got the input, but somehow I got it there anyways. There. Okay, and it's just normal alphabet. Yeah, A to C, they said so. Groups separated by new lines. Okay. Let's try to remember to switch to B for second part. What's the time? 5 minutes. Yeah, it took 5 minutes for me to read the exercise. So the top 100 is already done, you know. So we don't do map file, we do while read or do done input, and same thing as the previous day. We can see if we got a blank line. If yeah, how did we do that? If reply is empty. Group is equal to, or we just increment group. Okay, and then each line continue, I guess. So each line is 1 person, and each character are the number of questions they answered yes, and we should get the combined number of for each group here. So the problem is to not count the same character twice here. So for example, O and O, that still just counts for 1 in this group. So So let's do this. Let's loop each character on each line. For C is equal to 0. And C, I usually use that when it's a character. I use that as a character name in case anyone is wondering. C is less than the length of the line here. And reply is the automatic variable created by read here, containing the current line. C++. Do. Then we have char is equal to reply substring C colon 1 classic. Done. And since all of the characters are just yes, we just add them to we also reset an array here before we continue. When we get a new group, we also reset an array that we call answers is equal to 0 or nothing. We can even do, maybe it's cleaner to do this, unset answers at, so all elements in this array are removed, and that is an associative array because each key will have a one of the characters here. So we just set answers C, and we can even do that. C is equal to 1. Yeah, that should be enough, and then I think group is equal to the number of items in answers. What if this isn't enough? Like this. Or we don't even have to store this group, we can just add this immediately here. Result plus equals the number of items in the answers array. Echo results. Okay, if this works now, it should print that here. Echo hello. Yeah, just prints 1. That doesn't seem right. How about now? 2542. That's a number. Sounds like an answer. Nope. Okay, it's probably off by 1. Let's analyze this a bit here now. So it and sets this to 1. And if it encounters the same answer in the same group, it should just set it to 1 again. And if it encounters a new character, it should create that key. And then it unsets all keys every time we encounter a new group. Let's use the example, just to test it. take this one. I think we are super close here, don't worry. And we go to A, and then we change this to... I will explain how this works when we are done here, otherwise I will just get sidetracked. Also we have to save this, and then save this. Now we probably bork this one up. God damn it, and do this. It isn't perfect. Watch it, FASH. There. There, 15. And the answer was 11. Okay. For G in groups do echo G done. I have to fix this so it reloads echo G semicolon, so it automatically reloads here, but it's super convenient when it works here. So could also add a clear here. 3 1 2 1 1 15. Three, one, yeah, it just adds this. It's like it resets it here for this works. This should also have 3. Next works, it's a 2, 1, 3, 3, 1, 1, 1. It feels like it's too many groups. 3, 1, 2, 1. Ah, this is a group also. So these two works, this doesn't work. It's something weird. It feels like it resets it for every line. Let's just do this lines plus plus, and then we echo line number here to see what's going on. Lines. So 2, 6, 9, 14 is where we get a break. 2, 6, 9, and 14. Chars reply this. Let's just echo here so we get a break, and then we echo char. Maybe do it like this. So ABC, yes. ABC, yes. A B A Z, yes. A B. Yeah. wait. Answers is this. Result is this. ABC3, ABC1, ABAC2, weird. We do this for each line here, that's why, isn't it? Yeah, we do this the group level. Oh. And it was still wrong there. Number of answers. Go and char. This is a tricky word also to spell answers, but it looks like I have typed it correctly. It's char here, that's what we're doing. There, now. No. And now do this. Let's see here. 3, 1, 2, 1. It's still wrong. Now it says 0. Because we do it after me. There, 7. That's correct, isn't it? No, 11. God damn it. Okay, I'm missing something really easy here. But this was a miss. And this can do that here as well. Maybe this is what's one, two, 3, 1, 2, 1. Let's say 1 because here we only have one character. It's something with that, you know. It feels like I'm so close here. So that means it only loops this guy here. Then it goes back up into the loop. Reply, it doesn't do this. It goes down here. C is equal to 0. C is less than reply. Increment C. Char is a substring of reply. And now C is reply. The number of characters in reply is just 1. So this will only happen once for that line. Character becomes whatever it is. A, B, and C. It's also and there goes that. So everything here seems to work. it sets that array, so then we first get A, and that is equal to 1, it doesn't matter. We go back into the loop, we do this again, and then we get a B and set that answer. We go back here, and then we get an empty line, entering here, and then it's just say number of items in answers is 1. Okay, what if we print these? CBA 0 0 1 AAA A. Well, where do these 0 1 come from? Maybe it is because it's a... Yeah, maybe that's the thing. I have to declare it again here. Maybe this onset was a... Yeah, now, of course. 3 3 3 1. Result... Now result says 0, but I think we can fix that. Not really sure why it does it though. Okay, let's do this. Sum is equal to this. It gets weird with this unsetting. I think that, yeah, that was where this got wrong for me. I think we might need this. It feels like we will need this for part 2. So there, results plus sum. B10. No, because this crap here. 10. Maybe that 10 was correct here. No, it's 11. Is it that second group then that's wrong still? For G in groups do echo G on sum 3 3 3 1. We are missing one group. We are missing the last group, of course. Let's do it here then. answers. Yeah, or maybe we just because this is done after every thing, and result is always done after this part. So if we do this start here, remove this one, God damn it. Okay, let's just there, now we got 11. Whatever. And we should be able to do our big input here. Whoa, now we're echoing a bunch of stuff. Yeah, it's this crap here. 6621. Yeah. No. God damn it. Oh. It works without a stupid onset thing there. Okay, this is a bit annoying here now that it didn't, when it works like this, when the example works but the input file doesn't. That's no fun at all. Let's just skip that last. See there, 21. Ah. Aha. Example 11 input. Nice. Yes. Okay, half an hour for that. I got the was kind of on the wrong right and the wrong track at the same time. Whatever. As you finish the last group's custom declaration, you notice that you misread one word in the instructions. Okay, you don't need to identify the questions to which anyone answered yes. You need to identify the questions to which everyone answered yes. So, same example where everyone answers yes. That's like 3 in the first because it's only one person, 0 in second, 1 in the third, 1 in this and 1 in this. Okay. Yeah, that makes everything a little bit more complicated now. Okay, so here we copy this. It's the same input there. Now we paste this in B. Take the whole thing here. this. Do it on B instead. You see what's going on here? I'm running this watcher script here, but I get the output here. And it doesn't get interrupted. I don't need to reload the program and stuff. And this you can get a really neat setup with this. But I have to fine tune it a bit for this advent of code stuff. And it's nice, you know, I can just echo something here. Save, it will reload and automatically just print that. Now we clear the screen there, but like this, you know. So you can get the feedback really quick without having to go to a terminal, run the program, see the output, stuff like that. This is neato. And I think I will make a separate video about that. So, okay. Everyone in the group must say yes. So instead now we give a score here. We increment the value of the character. And then we have to test each answers. Also add a variable so we know how many people there are in each group. Peeps. We can do that there. That means that this score here answers char must be equal to peeps. If it is, then this is a character that is good. So I guess we can even test it here. As soon as we find that, we will never get more. So that's fine. So if answers char plus plus is equal to peeps, also important, plus plus answers char is equal to peeps. Then we got a point for this group. So then we can increment that. And groups, group, plus plus. Skip this stuff there, and group plus plus, or we could even do it like that. Result is groups, group plus plus. Result plus equals. Yeah, we need to do this here. There is probably a smart way not to having to duplicate this. I wonder if this isn't 3 in example. 3 plus 1 plus should get 6. Okay, let's loop the groups again there. For G in groups at do echo G done. Three. So this just echo. There's just one group, and in that group we got 3. I wonder if it's something weird like this. I don't know. Okay, let's do this then. Do it. Echo char echo group. Yeah, and group is, if we set group to 0 here, is that what? It only gets full here for the first group, and it gets so also, let's do this instead. It's just one peep. But peeps should increment here. Oh wait, no. Yeah, we have to reset peeps here. That is what we are forgetting. Peeps is equal to 0. There. Okay. Result is 0, I guess, then, according to this, right? Something else with the group. Now we never add the answer there to our group. And groups, group, plus plus 12, 6. God damn it. First group we get 3, second, god damn, we should have kept that output there. go here. Groups, group, plus plus. So this is for each person here, and yeah, peeps. Well, that will always be true on the first person. This is, we cannot do it like this. Cannot do it like this. We have to loop it here and check for this stuff here. Do this. Just remove this. I'm just getting confused. So for a int answers do a is equal to peeps. I can do this, and groups group plus plus. Done. 5. And then we just need one last. Oh, we got that there. Okay. 3, 1, 1. Yeah, it's a 0 guy here. No, it's not that. Ah, do we have a plus plus here? That shouldn't matter. It shouldn't matter. Ah, there. Three. Would also like it to store the 0 here. Yeah, I guess we should do that. This is overkill. Since the first one is correct, but in case it wouldn't be, just to get this straight. Yes. Yeah, of course, and now we don't got all of this stuff here. We have to do this whole thing to get it right. input 34, 20, 37. Cold star. Right, 48 minutes. Yeah, you see, I really this was a much better puzzle in my opinion. Much more fun. It's like easy. You see, you easily see what to do. You start doing it, and then it's some weird. It's like it's a puzzle within the puzzle. It's hard to describe. Yeah, here we can see. It took 5 minutes for me to read before I started the exercise. Yeah, I wouldn't even if I. You see. But of course, you can speed run this and then you don't read. You just look at the examples as quickly as possible, try to solve it from there. Maybe I should do that one day, but I have a feeling that will just backfire terribly, so I don't think I will. But that's what you should practice if you want to get good scores here. You learn how to read the puzzles. And because it is kind of possible to just copy paste this into the editor basically. That's enough to figure out what's going on here, you know, what to do. You don't have to read all of this stuff here that can actually confuse you more than and I got confused. It's like 26 yes or no question. When you see this, it just makes sense. So yeah, maybe I do that tomorrow. I don't know. But also, I like this. It's comfy with reading the story about how they are taking the plane and whatnot, you know. Yeah, but I feel I'm satisfied with this, even if I wish it would have been quicker. And you saw how close I was here on the second one, really. Could have done it in like a minute if I had done it correctly, you know. Whatever. But it's really cool, you know, with programming. And I will tidy this up before I publish it to GitHub. I haven't published anything here, but I will tidy it up here. Try to figure out a way not to do the same. Maybe we need to add a function for this, you know, but whatever. But it's kind of cool, you know. You can do this for 50 minutes solving a puzzle, and this is like playing a puzzle game, you know, except it's different and it's really fun to do this as well. You know, it's kind of amazing with programming. You just start with an empty text file and then you build it. It's fun stuff. Whatever. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye.